few months ago, if you told me I'd be using AI every single day in my business, I probably wouldn't have believed you. I'm not technical, I can't code, and I'm definitely not a software developer. I also have ADHD, which means daily tasks are hard enough as it is. My attention span is short, I get overwhelmed easily, and if something is complicated or takes too long to figure out, I just won't use it. And that's the truth. So whatever tools I bring into my business have to be simple. They have to work fast, and they can't have a steep learning curve or I'm done. I run a business in architecture, content creation and property. And like most small business owners, I spend a lot of time juggling admin, planning work, marketing, content creation, and trying to keep everything moving forward. But over the last 3 months, one tool has genuinely changed the way I work, and that is Claude by Anthropic. Now, before I get into what it's actually done for my business, I want to give you something. So I know that a lot of people hear the word AI and immediately think it's too complicated or it's not for them. So I've put together a completely free Claude setup guide. It takes you from nothing to set up in about 5 minutes. Plain English, no jargon. It covers downloading it, your first settings, privacy, and your first tasks. So the link's in the description. It's absolutely free. Grab it now so you've got it for when you finish this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This video is different because I'm going to explain what I actually use AI for in a real small business. Things you can copy today. No theory, no tech, just simple, practical ways AI has changed how I run my business and how it can do the same for yours. So let me tell you what Claude has actually done for me. And I mean actually done, not just answered a load of questions. Firstly, it built me a CRM, a full client management database inside Notion. I told it what information I needed to track for each client, project type, site address, planning statements, fees, deadlines, and it created the whole system for me. I didn't write a single line of code. I didn't watch a tutorial. I just described what I needed in plain English and it built it. That CRM system now runs my entire client pipeline, and I have no technical experience in software development or anything else. I didn't even know how to use Notion properly. It sends emails for me automatically. I can pick up my phone, tell Claude to draft and send a follow-up email to a client confirming a site visit, and it does it. I don't have to open my laptop, find the email chain, think about the wording. It handles the whole thing for me. For someone running a business that's on the move between site visits, that's a massive help. Now, it organised my files. I had folders all over the place. Project files, clients' documents, invoices, planning submissions. I pointed Claude at my filing system and said, look, sort this out. Create a proper folder structure and rename everything logically. Done. A job that would have taken me an entire weekend took Claude about 10 minutes. It built me a website. Now, this is a big one for me. I had a business idea that I'd been sitting on for months because I couldn't get past all of the tech side of it. I didn't know how to build a website, where to host it, or how to put the whole thing together. Claude wrote the code for me, told me exactly where to host it for free, and walked me through step by step of how to get it live. That one thing removed the single biggest barrier that had been stopping me from launching a new part of my business. No developer, no agency, no cost, just me and Claude. Now, it helped me launch digital products. I had no clue how to plug different apps together. Payment systems, delivery platforms, email tools, landing pages. To be honest, it was all very overwhelming. Claude showed me which platforms to use, and most of them free, how to connect them, and gave me a step-by-step system to get everything set up and working together. Things that would have cost me hundreds of pounds hiring someone to figure all this out. I did it myself in a couple of days because Claude walked me through every single step. Claude also helps me plan my content and social media strategy, planning what to post, when to post it, understanding what works and what doesn't, going through the analytics and coming up with ideas that actually connect with my audience. Instead of staring at a blank screen, wondering what to create next, I've got a clear system and a strategy behind it. This has saved me hours of overthinking every single week. And the biggest benefits of Claude is that it carries out tasks without me even asking. Using Claude's co-work feature, I can set it doing a job and just go and do something else. It works in the background, organising a project folder, drafting a planning statement, pulling together a client summary. You come back and the work is done. It's like having a junior member of staff who never takes a lunch break and doesn't cost me a penny. The biggest change isn't that AI does the work for me, it's that I spend less time starting tasks and more time finishing them. Across a week, I estimate it saves me somewhere between 8 and 10 hours, and that's massive. That's a full working day back every single week. Now imagine what you could do with an extra 8 hours every single week. So if you do nothing else after watching this, just try doing one thing today. Pick up your phone or your laptop, download Claude, and give it one real task from your business. Ask it to organise your desktop or your to-do list into priorities, or ask it to write a client email that you've been putting off. Ask it to help you plan your content for the week. Just one task that's simple. You don't need to overthink it. And if you don't know where to start, go and grab my free setup guide from the link in the description. It will walk you through everything you need to set up Claude in minutes. If you've got value from this video, then don't forget to subscribe. I'll be sharing more real ways how I use AI in my small business. I'll see you on the next one.